These stocks are all valued on their future earnings, and I think that user growth is the first element of whether they're going to ever be able to make any money. So I think that people got excited because Twitter at 186 million or daily active users is at 18% the size of Facebook. And their revenues are a small fraction. I mean, literally a couple of percent of the size of Facebook. So I think that investors are optimistic that if Twitter can figure out how to deliver ads and target them effectively, they're going to capture more share. We're seeing advertising share move from conventional media to digital. And so far, Facebook and Alphabet are capturing all that share. I think that investors are optimistic that Twitter is going to capture their fair share. I'm not as optimistic. I have a neutral on the stock. I don't think this management team actually has any idea how to deliver a relevant ad, and they're trying, but they're so far not succeeding.
Interesting. And on top of that, I mean, you have some concerns with advertisers now giving social media platforms more scrutiny. Facebook seems to be getting the bulk of attention on this one, but many are looking at social media broadly speaking. And then you have this whole hacking ordeal. What did you make of the management's answers regarding those hacking concerns?
I think that they're taking it seriously, and unfortunately, I don't think anybody can be perfectly secure. Hackers are pretty smart, and it looks like somebody inside helped them. In this case, fortunately for Twitter, these hackers were actually just trying to make a buck. They weren't trying to throw an election or do anything nefarious. And Twitter's got to clean up its act. I think that they're going to, but it does mean they're going to spend a lot more money to make sure that the site is secure from hacking. I think it's far more important that they make sure that the site is safe. It's a pretty toxic place. I don't know if you use it, but I do. And I've had death threats, and I've been called terrible names. And you see people that are just really, really horrid on this site. And they're, again, they just eliminated 7,000 QAnon's accounts. So they're trying really, really hard. Once they make it safe, then maybe you'll feel comfortable telling your mom she should be on Twitter. But nobody tells their mom to go on Twitter because they're afraid their mother would be upset.